Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G51. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. Tap Get Started. And as you can see, this is the homepage of the app. From here you can add payment method or different types of cards. If you tap here, you got access to all of your payment methods. Full list of participating banks. Your activity. And settings. In settings you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, and offers and tips. Then, you can manage power button access to show cards or passes, and edit your account info. Next, we've got contactless setup, where you can set payment method, enable, check if NFC is enabled, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got your lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and access to our Google account. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.